Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. We are already know the what is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, here halides we are going to react with nucleophile. This is our nucleophile. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, this halogen group is substituted by or replaced by the nucleophile, which gives RNA plus X minus. This reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. But this is possible in alkyl halide. But when we take same reaction in aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, at normal condition, this aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is not possible. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಹೆಲೈಡನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ದಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಾಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅರೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಹೆಲೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅರೈಲ್ ಹೆಲೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions are not possible at normal temperature. See here, not possible at normal temperature or at normal condition, because there are three reasons. Due to these three reasons, the aromatic nucleophilic substitution are not possible at the normal condition. First reason is there is a partial double bond character. Partial double bond character. In aromatic halide, this is our aromatic halide. These are the lone pair of electron on the chlorine atom. This is a aromatic halide. In aromatic halide, these lone pairs of electron of chlorine atom involved in resonance. Okay, these lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance. Hence, this carbon and chlorine bond gets this carbon and chlorine bond gets partially double bond character. Due to this double bond character, the nucleophile, weak nucleophile, cannot be replaced the halogen atom. This is the first reason, double bond character of aryl halide. Okay, and second reason is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In aryl halide, this carbon atom is, this is our aryl halide. In aryl halide, this carbon atom is, to which halogen atom is attached, this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Okay, this sp2 hybridized carbon atom is more electronegative. This carbon atom is more electronegative. Already we know the sequence of sp is more electronegative than sp2 and sp2 is more electronegative than sp3. Okay, in alkyl halide, for example, this is our alkyl halide. Here this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, hence its electronegativity is very weak. Then this carbon atom gets partially positive charge. But in aryl halide, this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Due to the sp2 hybridization, the carbon atom is more electronegative, hence it cannot polarize this bond. Hence the positive charge on this carbon atom is decreases. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ sp2 hybridization ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ರಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿನ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ sp2 hybridization. This is the second reason. And third reason is phenyl carbocation. Phenyl carbocation. This is our aryl halide. When aryl halide undergoes SN1 mechanism, in SN1 mechanism first it undergoes formation of carbocation. Okay, this is our carbocation and it gives one halogen. This phenyl carbocation is not stable. This carbocation is not stable due to these three reasons: double bond character, sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and phenyl carbocation. Due to these three reasons, the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction are not easily take place at the normal condition, but these can be possible only in the drastic condition at like higher temperature and high pressure. Let's see aromatic nucleophilic substitution. For example, this is our aryl halide that is called chlorobenzene. This is our chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is reacted with strong nucleophile, in aliphatic halide, alkyl halide, we can do the nucleophilic substitution by using weak nucleophile also. But in case of aryl halide, we have to react with the strong nucleophile, that is NaOH. And the temperature should be high. Temperature should be around 663 Kelvin and pressure it is around 300 atm pressure. At this condition is called critical condition or drastic condition. We can call it drastic condition because these reactions are not possible at the normal condition. Hence we have to increase the temperature as well as pressure. At that time, this strong nucleophile replace the halogen group to give phenol. This is phenol. Okay, this is called aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. But this temperature we can reduce only when our haloarene is substituted by the nitro group or electron withdrawing group. For examples, let's see. Instead of just chlorobenzene, if you take para-nitrochlorobenzene, in para-nitrochlorobenzene we can substitute the nucleophile at lower temperature. When instead of just chlorobenzene, if we take the para-nitrochlorobenzene, the temperature required is around less than 663, around 448, and pressure is also at lower pressure. It gives para-nitrophenol because this electron withdrawing group withdraw the electron density from this carbon atom. Because this NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group, when it attached to the either ortho or para position, it attract the electron density from the where the halogen is attached. Then this carbon atom gets partially positive charge. Here the positive density is increases, at that time that nucleophile can easily attack to the positively charged carbon. Okay, and this temperature we can again decrease. This is our chlorobenzene and this is our para-nitrochlorobenzene. If suppose we add another NO2 group, nitro group, to the ortho position, the required temperature should be decreases for the nucleophilic. Here we are taking 448. When we attach to nitro group, this temperature again decrease around 350 Kelvin temperature. This nucleophilic substitution reaction can be takes place. Again pressure decreases than this example. Then again it gives NO2 NO2. If we add another NO2 group at the another para position, ortho position, again its temperature is decreases. For example, NO2, NO2, NO2. When you do the nucleophilic substitution reaction, again temperature is decreases, pressure also decreases due to the presence of 3 electron withdrawing group. Okay, at normal condition we cannot do the nucleophilic substitution reaction. For the nucleophilic substitution of aromatic reaction, then we have to increase the temperature and pressure. But to avoid the increasing in temperature and pressure, we can do the nucleophilic substitution for the nitro group. That nitro group decrease the temperature and pressure. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿರದ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅರಾಲ್ ಹೆಲೈಡನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ನ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರಾಲ್ ಹೆಲೈಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಏನಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, that nitro group does not affect when it present on the meta position. Okay, if the nucleophile, if the electron withdrawing group is on meta position, let's see here, this is our chlorobenzene. Suppose the NO2 group is here, it does not affect the reactivity of nucleophilic substitution reaction because the electron density is maximum at only both the ortho position and para position. This position is a electron deficient, then NO2 group does not attract the electron density from the meta position. Hence, it does not affect on the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay.